Hey guys, welcome back. We're coming back to do a recap of this house on Kestrel Rise, and we've just gotten through several phases of the remodel. We've been through demolition, we've had some of the remodel completed. We're about 90% done. We're putting the finishing touches on the home. So let's come inside and take a look at what we've done so far. Okay, so here we are. If you remember our project when we started, we actually had tile floors and carpet that divided up the area. We took all that out and we put in this beautiful vinyl flooring that actually looks like wood. It's a Core-Tech product. It's waterproof. It's very durable. And as you see inside, we're doing some finishing touches in the kitchen area. So here in the kitchen, we painted the cabinets, sanded and painted the cabinets, refinished them professionally. We removed the drywall, and we're going to be putting on new drywall and adding a kitchen backsplash. Here's where our island will get installed next week. So the island will be a 6 by 8 foot island. It'll host the kitchen, dishwasher, trash bin, and some cabinetry on the front of the island. Now, if you remember our original project, we had a large fireplace here with some bookshelves. We actually took that out and built in this featured wall. We framed it in for a large big screen TV, hit all the wiring, and this is getting painted right now by our painters. And let's take a look outside here. Okay, so out here in the pool area, we actually resurfaced the entire lanai deck area. This is all stripped down again, new knockdown, new paint and epoxy paint for the surface. We also remarsided the pool, new pool finish, aqua blue. Instead of replacing the tile, we had the tile acid washed, and it really cleaned up beautifully. But as you see now, the pool looks brand new. Years of enjoyment here. For more information on homes like this or projects like this in the Tampa Bay area, follow us at the alvarezteam.com, our webpage, or you can follow us on Facebook or Instagram at the Alvarez Team KW.